Once you are done, then hit grease pencil, hit interpolate sequence. Then there's a small box that appear down the screen here. Then click it up. When you open it, choose you can actually choose whether you want custom or linear. So I chose custom. So I had to configure this graph looking like structure. I configured that to the way I like. So it's like a ramp. From the low place, the ball comes down in slow motion, like it comes down kind of slow motion movement. Then when it's going up, the ascending parts, it goes up very fast. So from that downside here, and this place I'm adjusting now, from there up, ball goes fast. But from the downside to that middle point, the ball descends slowly. But when it gets to that point and the ball accelerates quick to the floor, then before it goes back up. So going into sculpt mode, we want to give this ball a 2D animation looking like ball, like falling from up going to the floor. So we are going to use sculpt mode. We're going to use the grab tool to do this. We adjust each frames to know where we can actually add those effects or those shape around the ball, so to give us a more real like to the animation.